Taurus, your hotspot will be in group activities where you find that one group is against the other group and you get caught in between. So be very careful about making promises and where you stand in these affairs. And don't take chances or gamble. It is not very lucky at this time. The hotspot will be some losses, some closure, some ending, even emergencies or hospitalization, either your health or those close to you. And during this period, it shows that they're more for closure rather than for starting interest. The good spot will be in regards to your personal affairs and activities, good for what you want, and there will be commonality of interest of people to deal with. So there will be a lot of personal encouragement and boosting of interest. Your good spot will be finances, gains, investments, opportunity, good people around to give you great advice, and working on your wealth creation policies. The good spot will be in regards to communication, meetings, interviews, letters, news, brainstorming of ideas, regional travel, and transportation and equipments. Your good spot will be in regards to home, family, domestic matters, property matters, family issues, dealing with improvement, changes, buying, selling, renting of properties are all great. Your good spot will be in your social life and affairs, affairs of the heart, affairs of children interests, dealing with being a bit more enterprising, and you find that there will be a lot of invites, offers, and parties. Your trouble spot will be in regards to health, dealing with difficulties, liabilities, tough people, dealing with problematic situation, trying to find answers to complicated issues and people. So these need careful handling. Your trouble spot will be in partnership. There could be threats of indifferences, breakup, separation, others not agreeing with you or complying to what you want. So there's going to be a bit of stir up and flashes of anger. The good spot will be in regards to changes, reshuffle, private matters, private policy, dealing with loan, credit, financial affairs, banking affairs, and anything that has to do with aiming onto new revenues. The hotspot will be in overseas affairs, dealing with foreigners, dealing with overseas connection or investments, or problem with people who are overseas or going through some problems in contact with you. So this is a time when important issues are best put on hold for a while. This is a good period in regards to your career, your ambition, what matters, future policy and action plan, good style of management, and customer relationships.